Sorry, my nose is so stopped up. I sound awful. I sound like. Hi, ladies. It's Emily, and I'm here with Aubrey.
Hi.
My husband went camping last night with some other guys in the church, and so Aubrey came over, and we had us a little girls' night. And so we recorded that, and we're going to share that with you. We made a big chocolate chip cookie.
With ice cream on it.
We made a cheese board, and it was really good.
It was really good.
Yeah. And so this morning we made some cinnamon rolls, and we're going to do some facials. And Everly joined in on a lot of the fun too. Say hi. So we're going to start with some Colby Jack cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese. Then add some crackers. Next, some summer sausage. Some strawberries. And some grapes. Then I'm going to add some cream cheese. And I found this jelly at Walmart, and it is pineapple and jalapeno jelly. And I'm just going to spread that on top of it and dip crackers in this. And that is our cheese tray. Okay, come on, Aubrey.
That was so model status.
Evie, you want
You
some?
want a grape?
You want a grape? Did you grape?
I feel so cringy right now.
Eat your grape.
Oh, that is good. It was really good.
Okay, we are going to be making a chocolate chip skillet cookie in this cast iron skillet. So I took Aubrey to Chili's. I really wanted to be in the video. So if you go to Chili's, they have a chocolate chip skillet cookie that's like what? This big?
Yeah.
Maybe?
It's like the smallest skillet.
So we're going to do a 9-inch cookie because we had the cookie at Chili's.
And we had to share it, so
And it was so good.
It was really good.
And it was so good that we decided we were going to make our own. Yep. So we got our ingredients, and we're going to get started. So,
Mama.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to make a cookie. Cookie. Okay, so we're going to start with 1 stick of butter. And it says to melt it in the skillet, but I don't want to do that. I'm just going to put it in the microwave. Huh? No. We're going to put it in the oven. Oh, we have to preheat the oven to 350. We have our oven preheating on 350. And we're going to take a stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. It says to like heat it up on the stove, but then you have to like cool it back down. So it's easier to just stick it in the microwave so you don't have to cool the skillet back down.
Microwave?
Okay, so we got the butter melted, and we're just going to pour this into the skillet. Ooh, what do you think, Evie?
And then you have half a cup of brown sugar.
Yeah, ooh, that looks good already. Sugar. Yeah. And we're going to do 1/4 cup of regular sugar. Here you go. Let me find. Here we go.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
That was one. Aubrey's a little nervous. Okay. Then we're gonna do 1 large egg. Okay. 1 large egg. It's down below. And then it's like too tall to fit up there. Remember how we have those sauce? So I'm just like put this egg.
One and a half cup of all-purpose flour.
No, I'm gonna do it. Okay, Evie wants to stir it. Stir it up. Get it, Evie. Good job, honey. You're doing
so good.
Okay. Leave it there. Good job, Evie.
Evie, you want to pour in the flour?
Okay.
Okay, so 1 and a half cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And then we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Where's your chocolate chips? Up there. The same spot everything's been.
So baby. Okay, and then 1 cup of mini or whole chocolate chips.
Oh yeah. So then we're just gonna stir this up. Why don't you sit right here and help me stir it? Oh boy.
Evie, you're doing so good.
Okay. Not so good. Okay, I'm done.
All done.
Oh.
Come on. Come on, Evie. Apples. And muffins.
Did we get the recipe right?
So. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how to fill it like. Say hi, Evie. Say hi. Hi. Wave.
Okay, this baby is ready to go in the oven. And here's what it looks like. And we're gonna bake this for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, our cookie's done.
Yeah.
We should probably let this cool a little bit. Look at this, you guys. So good. So we made some orange cinnamon rolls, and I did them like this. They kind of look like hearts. And if you do it this way, you have 2 middles. How amazing. Everybody likes the middle part. So I am going to put some icing on these. This is what we're having for breakfast. And I'm not even going to tell you what time it is because we stayed up way too late last night, so we slept in. We'll call this brunch.
Did you find it?
This is hard to do with one hand. And they're done. These are the orange rolls. And this is Aubrey's first time trying them. Hopefully she likes them. We're going to be using the Mask of Magnum face mask from Lush. And if you watched my spa/pamper night video, I use this in there as well. So it's my favorite face mask. It's not a girl's night without a face mask. Even though it's morning now, because we stayed up way too late last night. We didn't go to bed till like 3 in the morning. What'd you say?
I said we wanted to go to bed.
We wanted to go to bed. Then why did we stay up? Evie needs some for her face. Here. Get some. Put it on your face. Oh, wow. Look at that. Here, put some more on your face. That's all she wanted. I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. That's done. Leave me a comment down below and let me know some other videos that you would like to see. Give me some suggestions. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a good day. Bye.